Hi, this is Iris Patin for Butterfly Circles with the vibrations of this period. In January, we had a very big date. It's the 20th of January. We didn't have this for a long time. From 1777, when the big revolution started, people came on the streets and started revolutions in America, in France, everywhere. There was an urge to freedom, towards freedom. And this is what happened on the 20th, when Pluto, the father of the underworld, changed his sign into Aquarius. So which means that we will feel that urge for freedom. People will go on the street again to really go for their freedom again. And on the 25th, we had a full moon in the sign of Leo, which means fire. We are fired up. So which means that with that energy, we need to do something very positive so that we are ready for spring. And one of the things is, in the period of Imbolc is 1 and the 2nd of February, we have that period of cleansing out the system, our body and our homes where we are living. So everything that does not resonate anymore on your energetic field, you have to throw it out, give it away, but it's a really cleansing out, inwards, outwards. So the Imbolc means as well in the belly, which means that we have seeds that grow and that we want to grow in the future. Some seeds we don't want to grow anymore. These are very old things that we always repeat, old patterns, old habits from our ancestors that are not anymore healthy. We have to cut it off. It's a good period as well to stop sugars, to stop addictive things that we always do. It can be it can be everything, it can be a ritual that we are doing every morning. It can be drinking the coffee every morning. It can be taking sugar in the afternoon, or whatever it can be. It can be ringing to your mother every day, or it can be depending on your partner or complaining for things. So cut the crap out of your life. If you see yourself being crappy, being emotional, being in lower vibration, do something about it. And one of the things we can do about it is to move your body. You can dance your emotions, and best thing is to dance together in a group so that you are really expressing your emotion. You don't do it alone anymore, That's what I mean. You do it in groups, so all the emotions go faster. You can really digest it faster in a group spirit than alone. Too many people are doing all these stuffs alone. They are really in their own suffering from emotions. It shouldn't be that way. Emotions are great. When they come, you let them go. They are just crossing through your body. You don't have to hook on them. And when we do it in group, the emotions flow like a river. And it's like a river that you are flowing into, and you can move that river. You can move it. And when a river moves, it's always good water. When it's a pool of water, it begins to stink when we don't move it. So now it's time to move your body. So this is it. Oh, one thing more is, like, on the 14th of January, there is a collective singing all over the world. And on that day is the World Day of Sound Healing, where many groups are sounding, chanting, singing for the earth. It's a sonic valentine towards the earth. And I will be in Den Haag, and it will be in a beautiful church. And that church is desacralized. It's not Catholic church anymore, but it's really a beautiful temple. And there were like Peruvian shamans that lay down stones underneath. So it's really, how do you say that? It's like the stones will catalyze all this love, and we will send it throughout the world. So if you connect to me, you will feel the vibrations. So this is an event that I'm doing. You can find it on the website. It's a Valentine's circle. And then be aware of the 20 and 21st of February. These are two beautiful days where Mars and Venus are opposite to each other. And you know what that means? It means relationship. It means that masculine and feminine energies are equal, inside and outside. So good luck with that, and I wish you a really nice February. Hope to see you soon. Thank you for listening. Oha.